stuff and all that other stuff. Yeah, you gotta have. Then we hit start sharing chat. There we go. So whenever you go live, it will show up. I think I accidentally made my alert message as Obama soda. Oh well. It's because I heard this recently. Where is it? I'm trying to find the sound effect. That's not it. Oh, there it is. I heard that sound effect recently, and I was just like, "Ah, oh, poggers."
Yeah, that's my
Obama
new that's my personality.
Yeah. All right, I can turn off these. I don't even know what my what was my Obama soda was my go live notification. Amazing. Good job. So good. Alright. It still says you haven't gone live yet.
Mine says negative 15 seconds.
Well. Yeah, because it says, I turned on shared chat and it says that you are not live on Twitch yet.
Mine's at -2. Now mine's at 0.
Oh. Okay.
I don't know why mine had an 80-second negative timer.
That's wild. Huh. Do you have stream delay on?
I don't think so. Not on purpose.
It doesn't look like your yeah, stream together text is not working either. Or the chat isn't. It's on my mind, but I don't know. Let's see. Nice. I'd be able to see it in yours if it was working. It's not. Let me see.
Did we just break everything?
There we go. I just returned on your shared chat. There we go. Now it's working.
Oh,
Soda. There we go. Yeah, now it's working.
This is crazy. I like that they actually have this like.
Oh, they have an ad? Okay. Well, they have an ad. Pouring my water bottle. Obama soda.
Hello, welcome in, y'all. I am getting Blender stuff set up so I don't get in trouble. Why is this dog so built? So like, there we go. Okay. I have the weird looking dog in Blender.
Okay, I've got my water bottle. I got everything all set up. Up on. All right, I refilled it. It is now full. Poggers. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hello, everybody. Let me also press this button. There. Okay. Oh, it also is showing your. Yeah, I don't need to do that. Let's see. Studio mode.
Oh, you
Friends.
have a little creature.
I have two creatures on my screen.
It's a creature feature.
It is. Go to friends, go to Fugi Tech, turn that off, get out of studio mode. There we go. All right, problem solved. Hello. Hi. Hello, Dogdamus, hello, Retro Yoro, Beano S, Leon, Doc. Leon! Help me, Leon! Or if you've played RE4, he is called Femboy. I don't know if you've seen that mod yet, but someone made a mod where Leon's name is replaced with Femboy, so every time they mention Leon, it says Femboy instead. It's pretty funny. But anyways, hello, I'm Socks. I am joined today with Winter.
Hello.
Winter is gonna be working on animations, and I'm working on code. Winter does all kinds of cool like animations and like renders and like neat little like effects and like all kinds of cool stuff. You should definitely go check them out if you haven't seen them already. Their page is bsky.app/profiles/winter park. It is Winter
No, it's
Harkness.
Winter the Beast.
Winter the Beast, the Beast, yeah. bsky.social. Man, what an amazing fucking URL system that they made. There you go. Perfect. Okay. Let me go and pop that link in.
I'm still prepping your model because I opened it up and it was like, do you want horse meat or other brands?
Yeah. No, I have many dicks. Yeah, it's all to really sell the experience. Hi Kate, hello. Welcome on in. And Aka what is that? Is it Aka
Daner?
Diner? Yeah. I can't read words. Reads are
Have you seen a Pitch Perfect?
Have I seen Pitch Perfect? I know what it is, but no.
They said that's Aka Awesome, and that's all I could think about as soon as I saw their name.
Oh. Yeah, I have no idea.
What is this avatar?
How many flavors of Pringles? Oh, well, we all know what the Pringles taste like, but yeah. Did it actually post a notification to Blue Sky? I don't think it did. Let me see. It didn't. Okay, so new post. Working on programming commissions with Winter the Beast. Join us. Hashtag furry. Hashtag furry live. Hashtag Twitch. Hashtag VTuber. Hashtag your mom. Hashtag going live. Whatever. And then here's the link. Okay, there we go. Up. And posted. Hello, So Panda. I should probably also get music on here too. Let me go ahead and do that.
Wild to not have music. I see some streamers not have it. I'm like, well, what are you doing?
I usually do not stream with music, to be honest.
It's so quiet.
I think it's actually kind of fine with the cadence of everything, because otherwise, like, I'm putting everyone to bed anyway whenever I talk. Hi, Majik, hello. Let me see.
If you're watching my stream, I do have music going. They do not have music going.
Yeah, I do not. Animal Crossing music to put yourself to sleep to. Here you go. Perfect. We're listening to this again. Sock's got that sultry voice. Yeah, yeah.
I do not. I'm sorry. Here, I'll talk
Well,
softer.
we do actually have a just chatting music that only I think plays to the VOD track. So, you know, there's that. But yeah. Oh, rough. Well, winter is also getting ready for their stuff. Let me get.
I just gotta make sure there's a lot less dog
Lyric.
on the screen then.
Thank you for the resub. Ba 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 ba. Thank you for the 7 months of support. I appreciate it. Enjoy the ad-free viewing and the emotes. Woof. Um, yeah. Yeah, you're also really cool because you're in 3D today, and I'm in 2D because I just cannot. I don't want to suit up for what would be like 2 hours because the batteries are so degraded right now, and yeah, I don't.
Why didn't you just use a
Haven't had-
webcam?
No, I have a full custom setup for everything.
Oh yeah, because you're weird.
Hi, Rosito. Yeah, no, I have a mocap suit that I use, and so I have a 3D model that one-to-ones with my body. And so the 3D model that I usually use is like sculpted after me, and then like I would pilot it with myself. Um, and so that's what I was using. But we basically are at a point where the batteries last about 2 hours and 40 minutes. And if you're programming, it doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to actually put it on because one of the things you have to wear is this where is this, like, let's see if I can find a picture of it. Yeah, there it is. Let me move over to the desktop scene. So if you go over here, this is where the thing I have to wear. It's got this fucking thing right here, and it completely screws up your entire like visual distance field because the camera is just sitting right there.
Yes.
And it's like it's impossible to program because you're trying to look forward and type a whole bunch of stuff, but in reality, it turns out that it's like, you know, it's right. It's great. It's fine with games. Like I've been able to evolve around it for games, but like for anything else, like for programming, it's like completely terrible. Because you're always like having to like turn your head sideways just to see what's on the text or on the screen. But yeah, let's see. Oh, I already have Firefox Audio hooked up. Oh, fuck yeah. I was watching this video last night with a friend. There's this guy called Nylon. He makes these mod videos where he finds like the craziest mods and then like installs them into, you know, random games. So in this one, the gun store owner from RE2 is John Arbuckle. The Doom like crazy heads or whatever the fuck those things are called that forget what the guys' names are called. They are the Doom enemy. I don't. It's probably like the most noticeable Doom enemy of all time, but I cannot remember his name. And of course, it doesn't show up as soon as I click that. Of course.
I think I'd get in more trouble if I had the jockstrap showing on your avatar.
It's the Kako Demon. There you go. This little floater right here. Yeah, this guy. So this guy is replaced with a giant Roblox head. And like it just goes oof as like it like comes at you. For reference, it sounds like this.
Oh, it's the oop.
Yeah, so it just makes the Roblox oof at you. But I was watching this with a friend. You have to fight Kyogre in a lake with swords. And yeah, this is the one where it's replaced where Leon is called a femboy, which is pretty great. God. But yeah, he's got a lot of very silly, very stupid mods that he'll do, and he commissions them as well to like for whatever reason. Very silly, very silly. Oh, blah, 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 blah. But yeah, that's
There we go. Okay.
that's what I've been was watching earlier was just some of these videos. This, I think, I don't know. It's like, I think I just like absurd things in video games. I don't know. I was watching, that one guy, which is like the incorrect telling of like Ace Combat 7's story. I watched that a long time ago. Yeah. Do you know who that is?
I don't know what Ace Combat is.
Oh, you don't know what Ace Combat is?
I wasn't allowed to play video games growing up, so I wouldn't become a weird internet person.
Oh, Ace Combat. Oh, my beloved is a dogfighting flight simulator game. It has the best graphics all the time. It also has a fucking there's a character that is canonically a JPEG file, and it's a dog. And if you ever were curious, like if you want to be like happy, you literally can just search Ace Combat JPEG dog, and yeah, he's a guy. He's literally in a cutscene, like, and this is all he does. He just sits there in the entire cutscene. Like, what a god. Oh, man. He's also a part of the lore, too. Which is kind of crazy. But, yeah.
What's that one airport game where everything is a JPEG of a dog and the whole game is just like an acid trip?
Oh, an airport for dogs run by, or no, an airport for aliens run by dogs.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is he from that universe?
Yeah, basically. So, unlike Winter here, so you may see a penis randomly when this loads. You just didn't see it, and if there's any problems, I'll handle it. So yeah, this is the scary part of the stream where you get to see balls for a hot second.
Oh no!
Why did they make this model and nothing else? I don't know. It's a mystery. But yeah, so don't worry about it. What a good dog. Yeah, very good dog. But yeah, so let's see. I had to reinstall my OBS like virtual camera, and it was like a complete hack trying to do so. Oh no, I hope nobody looks at my folder titles and sees an upcoming stream idea. Oh no. Please don't.
I just saw a video today about how pixelating stuff actually isn't safe anymore because you just use AI to like get the data out of the pixels.
It absolutely isn't. You can
Isn't
see
gauge
everything.
blur also non-destructive or something weird?
Yes. It just moves the pixels in a certain way, and you can. Well, it is technically destructive, but like, can be recreated because it's not destructive enough.
So it has a pattern to it, basically.
Yeah, basically. So if you know what the pattern is, you can like roll it back and essentially recreate whatever. Okay, cool. The screen didn't load it in time, so it's fine. But yeah, just this is a box, and just imagine this box is always here. Okay, thank you. Anyways, so the thing that I was working on earlier. Oh, I can turn these off now. I don't need these anymore. Why are these?
Should I also put you holding a box?
Continue. Okay, so now this should just work. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. So now he's got flying cameras, and then he can lock them and unlock them, which I think is just R? No, R is reset. What's lock? Did I not put a key code for lock? I don't think I did. All right, so we might have to program a lock command. That's not too bad. So let's just go ahead and do that real quick. We're going to go copy this line of code where we're going to lock a new bind input. When does he get thumbs? I always have thumbs. Hi, Holiday. Thank you for the 7 consecutive streams. Oh my god. And Halloween Cool. Welcome on in. Camera pawn. Let's see. We want to toggle lock. And that's going to be an IE release, and then we're going to write a new function real quick. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's a... I actually just did that right before the stream. Huh. Okay. Does that count? Hang on. I'll just stretch right now. But I'll drink even more water. Fuck it. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Be input enabled? I don't know if I can actually get this. Is this flag exposed? Gotta let it out. Gotta let it out. Gotta let it out. Gotta let it out. Move fast, baby. Don't be... Oh, you know what? Let's play Devil Trigger. Bang, bang, bang. My Devil Trigger. Oh, God. I love that fucking song. There it is. Alright, chat, can you hear it? Good. Oh, we don't need this open anymore. What am I looking for? I'm looking for this. Oh, okay, Visual Studio. That's cool. You wanna like wake the fuck back up again? I would appreciate it. Brother, you don't need to search that hard. Alright, well. We're just gonna have it pull my Devil Trigger while it searches for something. You just need to find the reference. It's not that hard. Holy shit. Okay, there you go. Goddamn.
Okay, I have your model rigged now.
Be input. Yo, you already rigged it? Wow, that was quick.
I have an AK rig on it. So what should I do?
Oh. What should you do?
You hitting some squats?
Squats would be funny. Can also do like... What would be fun? Let's see. You could do tree pose. That would be fun. People would like that. I think, like, also just, like, running up, or just, like, running up to someone and grabbing them. That would be pretty good.
It, like, picks up the camera and it just, like...
yeah, grab, yeah, or, like, you know the Markiplier, like, running in and punches?
Oh.
That one would be good, too. It's be input enabled. Thank you. Or it's just, the function's called input enabled. Okay, so... we made a new function. It's called, and we're going to be calling it toggle lock. And then I'm going to just do a protected function here that's going to be void toggle lock. It takes no parameters, and okay, and then we go over here, and I'm going to go down here and just go void a camera pawn toggle lock. And then this is just going to be basically grab the world thing, and then, oh yeah, no, I'm going to have to grab the player controller from here. I don't think I can do it otherwise. Yeah, so let's do block this, and then I want to know if, I want to then call set input lock with negative PC input enabled. There you go. Are you serious? Is it? Oh my god. Perforce, please. Perforce, why are you hurting me? Perforce, what are you doing? Alright, there we go. Okay, now I can save the files. There we go. Alright. Cool. So now we have that. I need to input that key. So I need to go to project settings, which for whatever reason opened up on the other monitor. And then I need to add in a action mapping. So new press the wrong button. This is called, what is this one called? Toggle lock. Okay. Yeah, and then I don't know. Do I have anything connected to P? P key. Let's just do P key. That one. Okay. Cool. All right, and then if I go in here, I can't. Yeah, Devil Trigger. Yeah, 1 second. I'll play back it again. Oh, do I not have... Oh, I don't have friends on this overlay. Oh, that's fucking wild. 1 second. Scene. Fast, baby, don't be slow. I reload, time to go. Control. There we go. Inside me. How's my weekend been? It's been pretty good. All right. Okay. Did I name the thing wrong? Did I not save it? Why is it not toggling? Let me check this real quick. Play. Oh. There we go. I just realized that that's actually a bad thing to do because if I do this... Oh, it also is not... Wait, why is it not getting the inverse? Wait, is that function busted? It might be. Step into? What was the return of that? Oh, wait, no. I don't want this negated. I want this to be regular. Yeah, okay. So continue. Because this is... You want the inverse of talk... Yeah, you want it to be locked. So you set input locked is true. Yeah, okay. Though, this is actually going to not be helpful because... you would have to override both these functions. Yeah, okay. What is the... They just take floats? Floats? Okay. Alright. But if you switch any camera, that's gonna also not be locked. Ooh. Disgusting. Yikes. Because you need to have it in the player controller. Because there's no way to unlock it after that. Oof. Oof. Oof.
How does this man move like this?
Oh, how does Markiplier move like that? I have no idea.
Dude,
How's my
like
Easter in 420? Pretty good. So you're really was wondering if you ever play other people's indie games. Yes, I do, actually. Why did the music... Okay, I don't know why it did that. That was wild. Why is it having a hard time with this? Oh. It feels like it needs to re-render this video screen? That's wild. Speechless Light is your first-person survival horror game. Oh man, things that I'm good at. we're number one, Alex. Oh man, oh man. But yeah, no, I'm great with horror games. I'm totally the best. I don't think I've actually retold this story before. Why is my encoding hitching? What the fuck? 1 second. Am I... Oh, wait. Okay. It's because this is also rendering, I think. So, always hide video previews. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then that will fix this? Maybe, slowly? I don't know. Why would my browser be so angy? Okay. Huh. I'll close something, I guess. I don't know why we close. Close this. You're a bunch of game dev college students? Ooh, that's awesome. Yeah, no, I've been working on games for 20 years now. Okay, yeah, this is running a lot better. Um, but the story that I was gonna say was that why is the encoding still overloaded? Why is my browser using up more resources than it should, brother? Do I need to actually fight this thing? Okay. One sec. Ah, yes, my favorite. What's holding? Discord's using... What the fuck? That can't be right. Brother. Why Discord says that it's using 564... What is that? That's like 5... No. Is that 5 gigs? No, that's more than that. No, that's 564 gigabytes of dedicated videos.
I'm a dedicated WAM.
Yeah, dedicated VRAM. I don't know what it is doing. If you want, where could I send you a key? There is socksandwolf.com/contact. You could just send it there. That would be the easiest way. But yeah, you can also just include like the forum if you want any like input as well. Like if you want me to fill out an input feedback form. But yeah, I've worked on a lot of games. I guess if you want to see a small list of them, where's that group? I can't believe my video is being silly. Where is it? 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 Here it is. So that's some of the games I worked on. Can I move this out of the way? So I've worked on these games, and it will just update over time. I'm going to close these windows. I will save that time too. Okay, cool. Oh, is it not going to move? Why is it not moving? Oh, it is moving. Yeah. Yeah? I've also worked on like a fuckload of MMOs. There's a lot of things on this list that are not actually like included. Because I don't want people to... I mean, already this list makes it a little easier to find me, but it's like... Just, yeah, I don't know. I like my privacy. It's kind of a lot of what it is.
Privacy.
But I also like sharing. Yeah, right? But I like also sharing like what I've worked on and stuff. So, frustrations getting bigger. I kind of wish I could play music, but yeah, no. OBS said no. Okay. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna just get rid of this thing now. Pop off, please. Thank you. If I turn off my... Actually, let me just disable the preview. See if that fixes a little bit of encoding overloading. No. Yeah, I have a feeling a lot of it's gonna be just looking at Skuru's face. Alright, do I care about unlocking the... No, I'm just gonna give him the Stream Deck button. And it will just be easier that way. Code. Yeah. Hi, Florfy. Alright, cool. You can hit stop here. This probably is gonna chill out the renderer to some degree. Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. This thing needs to be deleted. I fucking hate camera actors. These little shits. Okay, alright. I'm now going to rant about camera actors and how they are the worst fucking thing in the Unreal Engine. These little fuckers re-render the scene multiple times in a single frame, and they are terrible and they are slow, and there is no reason to be using them at any time. I am going to be deleting this soon. I just need to capture all of the lens settings over, but oh my god, these things are so bad. They are not optimal at all. He has his field of view set to 70 and his aspect ratio set to 1.77. Yeah, I don't care. I'm going to instead change it to what I want it to be. So I'm going to do this. And in design table, oh my god, girl. Like, this is some of the worst. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna delete it right now. If he doesn't like that, he can figure out where he wanted that camera. That actually, I could just figure out what his settings are. This looks like it's a, let me see. So this is a, what is its actual settings? God, I hate these things so much. They're so limited too. There's so little shit you could do with them. They're so garbage. They're okay. They're good for like, okay, if you're gonna be like, well, no, they're not even that good for that either. You can use them to make like your top-down games or like XCOM-like games easier to program, but you shouldn't do it that way. You should make them as a spectator like pawn system and implement it that way, and then make it so that when you click on stuff, you do picking from there, and then that would always work properly because it would be from your viewpoint rather than wherever that fucking, oh god, I hate these things. They're so old. Oh, they're the worst. Anyways, okay. I think I know what the settings are for this, but okay, yeah. So I want to look at the camera, and I want to use a, I think this is a Super 35? No, it might be more than that. Yeah, I think it was more than that. Yeah. Okay. And then I want to bring it out slightly, so I want to, whoop, not that. Not that. Not that. What are you doing? I don't want to custom it, but I could. Can I just bring this out slightly? Okay, and then bring it up. Like this, and then bring it in. Get up, bucket in. Let me begin. Nope, it's back further, I think, on his other one. There you go. I think I'm almost nearly perfectly mirrored it. Yeah, I did. I'm so cool. All right. Bye, bitch. All right, cool. Oh, look at that. Look at that performance difference. Look at that performance difference. Literally so much better. Oh my god. Fucking hate camera actors. They're the worst. Anyways. Oh my god, it's Picho! I love Picho! Picho. Bop, bop, bop. Picho. Bop, bop, bop. Yeah, the performance is greatly improved. This is before I've even added DLSS into this thing. Once I add DLSS in there, it's gonna be like way better. Just, oh, whoops. Well, I just flashed a Steam key on stream. Since now everyone has seen it here, if anyone wants a free Steam game, here it is. Because you all just saw it. So whoever gets to redeem that first, you win.
Oh my god.
Whoops. Okay, so let's see. What have we done? We fixed the camera performances. That's just much better. Let's see. Hi, Bio. There's actually like videos of like me on the Jeopardy set behind the scenes, as well as the Wheel of Fortune set, and I was like fucking around with the wheel, and like, yeah. And some guy came over and was like, "You can't be doing that." I'm like, "I don't care." He's like, "What?" I'm like, "I don't care." Then I flashed him like the badge that I had, and he was like, "Oh, okay, carry on," and then walked away. I literally had a VIP badge. Like, apparently that just means you can do whatever the fuck you want. It was the funniest shit. Apparently, though, it is this sort of thing where it's just like they allow people to kind of like fuck around with it if like, you know, someone vets you enough, I guess. But yeah, it was really fun. Everyone check out the Twink of a Pink Lion. Oh, I've definitely checked out that Twink of a Pink Lion. Both of you just sue my care. Usually bots seem to snipe those. Yeah, so bots will only snipe those if you are in a stream and you have the words titled giveaway, freebie, raffle, or you know, whatever, sweepstakes. Basically, those are the titles they look for. And if you don't have them in any of them, then if you just drop a Steam key, it's kind of just like, what? I want to be a twunk. Oh, I can give you plenty of protein to make you a twunk. Don't worry. I got all natural protein, baby. All natural. Baby! All right. I think everyone's neat, to be honest. Like, regardless, I think that, you know, however you may look, you know, I think everyone has something that's unique and cool about them. So, yeah. My personal body, like, in a sexual, like, environment, my personal favorite body type are probably twinks and twunks. But, you know, that hasn't stopped me from, like, also being with other people, too. Like, I think that's a common misconception that people have. And it's kind of just like, yeah. But anyways. All right, so we implemented all that. That was cool. We also fixed up that performance, that beautiful performance, so much better. Holy shit, save this. Getting rid of that one camera saved me 37% GPU load. Just that one camera. That's fucking insane, dude. I don't know why this is stuck here, though, but yeah. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, one camera did yeah, that's why they're the worst. People don't understand how fucking awful they are. They're very garbage. Why is it still saving something? That means something's locked incorrectly. Let's see. Ah, yes. My favorite. When the file is locked and Visual and Perforce is like, uh-oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Is it editing? I don't know. Fix camera buttons. Also remove shitty camera that equaled bad performance. Bad perf. All right. Would you replace the afterwards? I don't have to. That's the best part about it. Oh, my Perforce connection is down. That's why it's having. Ugh. Okay. Reconnect. Did DigitalOcean die? I'm gonna be so sad. Did I die? Am I live? I have no idea. Are you still there? Hello?
Hello.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm animating you falling onto the camera. I got really locked in for a second.
That's okay. All right, if I type in okay, I can't make a new change list because Perforce is still trying to reconnect to something. Can I, like, log into P4admin then? Yes, reconnect. Brother, please. Log into administrator? Reconnect. I'm gonna be so sad if DigitalOcean is running maintenance right now. Brother. Do I want to even log into my DigitalOcean panel on stream? No. Oh yeah, I shouldn't because actually it will show the AD website. I don't want to show people that. So we're gonna log in somewhere else. Sox is just being really candid right now. He just does not care. It's that point in time in the night where it's just like fixing shit. Perforce. Why is Perforce not connectable? I'm looking at the performance. What's happening? What's going on? Literally nothing. What? Oh, the band. Wait. Why'd the bandwidth jump off so much? Hello, Game Buddy. Hello. Ah, wah, wah, wah. 1 second. I'm going to go kill this thing real quick. But yeah, what the fuck? Oh my god, please. Reconnect. Okay, I am starting to log back into the admin. There we go, I'm back in the admin panel. Cool. So now if I reconnect this. Hey, there we go. Okay, now everything should unfreeze. Let's see. Fix up bad perf with actor cameras. Obama soda. Fix, or no, finish input buttons, whatever. You probably also add a function in here too. Oh, sick. Illustrations getting bigger. Bang, bang, bang. Pull my devil trigger. Can I get the current camera pawn from here? I can. Is the blueprint pure? Perfect. I'm so smart. I programmed that way earlier. Woo! What do I want to fix next? Oh, I need to do projectiles. Yeah, so we gotta implement that. So I need an actor for that.
You need camera actor, your favorite?
I deleted camera actor. It's gone. This is gonna be projectile launcher. And this is gonna be an actor, and then I also need what else do I need? What else was in the list of things they had to do? Where's Guru? Import all models, SFX, and cleanup. Oh yeah, also ragdolls and unragdolling. So I gotta do both those things. So I need to add a state to his character. What is he implemented as? He is a character. Okay, cool. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the most basic ass feature ever, and I'm gonna say, wait, this is an event graph. I don't want this. Get rid of this. I want to hit functions. It's inside my head. Couldn't read frustrations getting bigger. Toggle ragdoll. And then I want a variable that's going to be ragdoll state. Ragdoll state. By default, it is going to be false. And then we're going to just do this. Get this. Branch. We're going to get this thing. If it is true, I believe I just need to turn on simulated physics easily. So I need a copy to your mesh. And this is going to be really funny because his groom is not... Wait, hold on. Is his groom completely locked? His groom is not completely locked. Bitch. All right. That's annoying. How am I going to fix that? I'm not. You know what? I'm not. Fuck it. Toggle simulate. What is it? It's like set simulated. That's it. All right. So we do this. We go true. So if the ragdoll state is true, then we're going to not simulate them. And then if it's false, we're going to do the same thing again. Set simulated. However, if it is not in ragdoll state, then we enable it and we resimulate. However, the reason why these are different is that this one needs to branch out to technically reset the model. So that's a actually, no, I might be able to get away with it. Let's just say we'll get away with it. And then I'm going to set the ragdoll state here to be the inverse of whatever you passed. So this is going to be this get, and then we're going to attach to a not. So not Boolean. Ba-bum. 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 There you go. Okay. Compile. Save. Okay. All right. We could. Yeah, actually, let's do that. Okay, so I want to grab this node, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a delay in here. This is terrible. Do not ship this way. Do not ever ship this way.
Ship that way.
Do not ship this way. You are not allowed to ship, fucking, Digimon with Pokemon. That's, ooh. I don't know. Oh, man.
Thank you for the follow, Lyric.
Lyric's so cool. All right, so I'm gonna put it 5. And you might be wondering, why should you not put a delay? So in a begin play, the thing is that the way the Unreal Engine works is it runs through every actor, every character in the entire scene, right? It calls begin play on each one of them and waits for begin play to finish. If you put a delay in begin play, you are now locking the game thread. And that's a bad thing. So you never actually be able to continue processing. So we're gonna end up running this, and in 10 seconds he will fall down. Or he should fall down, provided I don't have to set anything else. He's weirdly defocused. I probably need to put a focus feature on him. Why's the duration 10 seconds? It's not doing anything. It should have fired by now. What the fuck happened here? His ragdoll state is false. Wait, hold on. Okay, if I pause right now, what do you think your ragdoll state is? Oh, wait, you have the wrong... Wait, what? Wait, where's your object? Wait, why do you have a post-process volume on yourself? The fuck am I looking at here? Wait, do you have physics? You do not have physics. And you do not have gravity. Bitch. Okay. Yeah, so that's not going to do anything because you don't have gravity on, so it's just going to sit there forever. Of course, there's some shenanigans that we have to watch out for. Yeah. I have a feeling that's exactly what's wrong. So, okay. And then I want to step into the next node. I want to step in the next node. Okay, my condition is false. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to simulate it. So step in the next node. Okay. The target should be the mesh. But I'm now starting to wonder if... Why does he have a capsule component? What is this model? What the fuck is this? By Dr. Seuss. Okay. I guess I have to actually go and enable all these things. I didn't really want to, but alright. Here's gravity. No. What are your settings? What the hell? Okay. I don't know. Okay, well, I turned on gravity for him. I'm going to change this to 1 second. And we're going to hit go. And then we're going to compile. And then we're going to hit start. Okay. We're going to continue. He T-posed. What? Brother, what is your shit doing? Okay. Do you not have physics assets? Oh my god, you might not have physics assets. That's gonna be annoying. Okay. Oh! Bro, anyone can answer his questions? What's your question, Helldog? Hello. If you're about to ask, are you a furry? Brother, I'm going to say you're going to need to use your eyes a little bit more.
I'm not a furry, I'm just a gal.
Yeah.
It's quite unfortunate that I'm here, actually.
So what is inherited? Why would you do this to me? Why would you do this to me? Okay. There's a penis in this video, and I'm so upset with him. Okay. Also, why is it so blurry? Is it because he has a camera right there? I think it's because he's got a light right there, isn't it? I don't know. He's got something hiding right there. It's so blurry. What is right next to him? I mean, here. Tracking. I want to track this actor. Whoops. Oh, I can't click him because he's not actually a full actor. Fuck. God damn it. Camera. What's a Furby? Oh my god. You're gonna have to explain that one to me. I don't know what a Furby is. I'm actually gonna just do this. Alright. Here you go. There we go. That's called I don't care. We're gonna target track focus his object. So one of them Furbies. God damn it, of course. Do I have to automatically do this?
Oh yeah, I was at TFF, and because we're in Texas, we have an 80 rodeo. And there's like an old dude there. He goes, huh, this is interesting. I'm like, oh, what is it? He goes, what does AD mean? And I'm like, oh no. Like, I gotta explain this to this dude.
Do not override your focus method. Yeah. I feel like that's actually probably the best option, to be honest, right? So I go like this.
Method actually right now.
Yeah. Set active. Yeah. Turn off the focus method system, and you're gonna be way better off. Yeah. Okay. I could probably set that as a default now I think about it. So I'm trying to remember what that setting is called though. Right. Wait. It's 150 is the manual. I don't really want to auto program that, and I can, but I don't want to, so I'm not going to.
Oh no, you're doing Retofo. I'm so sorry.
No, I'm
not
doing.
You. Somebody in chat's complaining about Retofo.
Oh.
Because they joined it and they saw a butt instantly.
Oh, yeah. All right, I'm just gonna leave it as is. I'm not gonna bother doing that. Okay, so we do need to make a projectile launcher, and I need to have it spawn stuff, and we're gonna do all that in a second. But before I do that, what the fuck is this? Wait, what? Brother, huh? Wait, how many lights do you have? Okay, so he's got a light for his dick, or it's paws. Okay, he's got a light here. Okay, good. Whoa, what is this light? What's going on over here? There's some wacky shit going on right there. Why is there something weird happening here? That's spooky. That is spooky. I don't like that. That makes me upsetty. Is it because the fucking sun's over here? Actually, yeah, that's a good question. Why is there a directional light here? Affects world. No. I'm gonna just turn off these. Affects world. This is off. Yeah, so the directional light should also be off. Aren't rectangle lights less efficient than bone lights? You were correct. Spotlights are also... Spotlights, yeah, that looks much better. He needs to be zoomed out slightly, because his ear's cut off. Fucking... Alright, and then I also need to look at, his... I'm probably gonna have to black out the screen while I fix his fucking physics.
Set. Are you talking about you're taking an STL and trying to turn that into like a VTube Avi? Because that is a horrible idea, but... Oh no, why are you doing that? I really hope you're not.
I mean... you know what? Where is it?
No money to buy what? Oh, like,
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay.
Hello, Boundwidth. You can buy bases for like $30 and then just retexture them in Blender. Hey, Socks, you want to peek at my stream real quick?
One sec. Is the box there because of his ding dong? Yes, the box is there because of his ding dong. That is exactly, you were correct. The pain and the suffering is the reason why. Come on, move up. One sec. Okay. And then down slightly. Is it slightly? Not by 10? What the fuck? Bitch. All right, 1 second. Snap size to 5. There. Okay, that's better. Yeah, that's it. All right, that's it right there. Okay, I can unlock it now. So main camera. Where is this thing? It's in here. Go back up. Contain aspect. Yep. All right. Okay, go. All right, it's fixed. All right, let's figure out why. All right, let's see. Where's my browser? It's over here. Where is my browser? Oh, no, that's not it. Enable preview. Yeah, I see it now.
I mean, a stupid thing is just a brush.
Sits on you. Oh my god. You know what would also be really good too? Oh my god. I say this a lot. If we had an animation of like me suplexing them or like the camera would also be hilarious.
Oh, that would be so easy to do.
Oh my god. Do like a suplex because I usually am telling people I'm fucking suplex them if they talk bad about themselves. Oh, that's so good. All right. Okay, so now I have to blank my screen because there's probably a penis here and I'm so upset that I was sent a penis asset. All right. Shit, what is going on? Syndicate, what are you doing? Oh, you're shouting out at everyone. Oh my god. Syndicate, slow down a little bit. The chat is a little bit... Syndicate, slow down a second. Holy shit. My entire screen is all shoutouts now. What the fuck is this? Oh my god. This is his physics model. For reference, his asset's right down there. He's right there. This little, actually no, where is he exactly? He is right here. This tiny little pixel right here is where he is. And this is his physics model. What the fuck? Why are his capsules so big? This is his body. His penis is, I don't know where that is. His penis is right there. Brother, something went wrong when you built your constraints. I'm gonna have to rebuild all these. Oh, that's gonna be 8750. Oh my god. All right, let me check something real quick because I just noticed he's got a third one here too. What is this one? Fix it real quick. I need to delete all of them and then rebuild. Which may or may not be... Oh my god, what is this? Okay, this one is more correct. This is correct. If I simulate it... Oh, he has no constraints. Oh.
The shoot thing animating right now is I'm lagging because of the screen.
Is that a fucking... Oh my god. I just got fucking flashed. I'm so upset. I'm so fucking upset. 3? I have 3 dicks, yes. My model has... Okay, where is this folder? Okay, it's got an animation blueprint. Where is his physics asset? Which one is it using? Please, please, please. Currently used physics asset, none. Okay, well that would explain why when I simulate it, nothing happens. Okay, so I need to rebuild his physics asset. And we're not using this one. So let me go create a physics asset based off of... Actually, no, I need a skeleton first. Where's a skeleton? I don't know. What skeleton is this using? What the fuck? Brother, where? Okay, there we go. Oh. What? Wait, what is this? Okay, cool. Yeah, awesome. Where is this file? I don't know. I'm so scared. Is this it? Is there an animation blueprint for... I'm going to scream. Where is it? Physics... Where is this? Where is this file? Why can't I find it? Where is this file? VRM45? There's nothing in here. What? What? The fuck? No, there's nothing in here. Where the fuck is this file? Game characters. Yeah, I'm in that folder right now. There's no file. Oh no, these have probably been picks up redirectors. Maybe that's it? Nope, that's not where it's at either. I'm missing this file that I literally have open on my screen right now. What the fuck am I looking at? The skeleton's not in here either. Where are these files? I only have an animation blueprint. I don't know, dude. I don't know where anything is anymore. I'm gonna try to fix up all redirectors and maybe that will tell me. Where is this? I have a skeleton that doesn't exist. I have a mesh that's not in that folder. Where is the... Brother, I think they might be. Brother. Oh. Vista. Delta. What the fuck is this? There's a bunch of empty folders. I can't find this thing. It's not even in here either. If I hit save, where does it go? What? Cancel. No, it's not even in there. What the fuck? Checkout selected? What do I have checked out? Where is this file? Huh? It only says there's 2 items in here. Show me everything? What the hell? Okay, Dude, I think this project might be haunted.
Your bones are haunted.
I feel like they are, yeah. It would make a whole lot of sense. I'm kind of unsure. I just have to, like, show a black screen the entire time.
That's fine. They can come over and see that I'm doing something completely stupid.
Oh, wait. There's 3 files in here, and I'm missing all of them.
Anybody know the Lonely Island song that they're gonna bought?
Oh my god! Okay, I found the asset, but it's an asset bundle for some reason, and not actually the asset itself, which is kind of annoying. I don't know why I can't see it, though. Localized content. Show me developer content? I have every filter on, and I cannot see this object. That's really fucking frustrating, because if I fuck up, I have to, like, just... I don't know. What the fuck? Alright, so generate all your bodies. Okay, I generated his bodies real quick. Okay, I'm going to simulate them real quick. Alright, he turns into a mush puddle. I'm not even gonna bother fucking constraining any of these. I'm just gonna let him be as is, and we'll just save them as the kinematics. Alright, so now if I hit go... Got it. For reference chat, this is what it looks like. That's so good. That's so fucking good. He just, like, teleports down. Oh, God, what a mess. I don't know what the fuck. Oh, good thing you can't see the penis because the fucking physics asset object blocks it. Thank you, physics asset object. You're so poggers. I should probably keep the jaw as, like... you know what? I will make this not so it doesn't scare people. Where is it? I want to make it a kinematic body. I just don't remember how to do that from here. That's not it. Oh, physics type. Here we go. This is what I want. Kinematic. Yeah. Save. Okay. There. Good. Even better. All right, now we can write the launcher. So, projectile launchers. Let me get something up here real quick. All right, so I need a all right, so I need to go into here. I need to go into game data. Where is blueprint? It's this one? Okay. All right, so We're going to detach this link. I'm going to recompile and save that. All right. Okay, so now that he is fixed, I can, okay,
Hey,
these are fixing the lights.
Whenever you have a sec, you should check your Discord.
Okay, fixed lights. Okay, and then this is, this could go in here. Yeah. I'm just gonna edit this, and then I'm just gonna write, mission input buttons, add, ragdolling. Okay. All right. Submit this. Submit this. Oh God, how big is that file? This is why, for those that are wondering, if you want to speed up your workflow with stuff, when you make a character, always split out the skeleton mesh, the physics asset, the skeleton, and your anims, because that allows you to fix them easily without having to like check out a gigantic character file. It's just way easier for you. So basically, you'll get one that like creates everything if you drag an FBX directly into the scene instead of importing it into here, into your actual like content browser. Why the two different options? I don't know. All right, let me move over here and re-enable preview. All right, I have the preview showing. I see myself T-posing. I look very good.
I sent you something on Discord.
Oh, okay. I look so good with that. Oh my God.
Have you seen the Lonely Island Dick in a Box music video?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Oh, it's so perfect. It's so perfect.
It's very fitting to what you have on your...
It is. It is. Chat, this is what...
I like can't animate because I'm lagging too bad, so timing is just impossible.
Here you go. Look, we could be dick bros together. Wow.
It's transparent too, so you should be able to put it on your OBS.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that right now. Actually, just gonna throw it in as a browser source, I think. Actually, no. I'll load it as an image. Save image.
Now I gotta figure out what to do that's not animated because I can't restart my computer for whatever reason.
Does it like just lag super hard over time or something? Or?
I have a 3070 and I think it's going out, but like,
oh,
I can't animate without like what's it called? Like at all. It's just so laggy for whatever reason. So
that's wild. Huh.
Let's see.
Okay, create new box dick. There we go. Unload image.
It's a dick in a box.
Okay. Where is it? 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 It's not there. Not there. This one. There we go. Okay. So I put it right here. Yeah, and then I'm gonna move it all the way down here. Perfect. That should do it. Yeah. All right, lock that. Excellent. Oh, why is model unlocked? Okay, there we go. I can hide that.
I know what I can do to get around animation, actually.
Perfect.
We can cheat because I already have it animated.
Okay. All right. So we fixed the ragdolling. Now we just need the projectile launchers. So I'm actually going to do this instead, and I'm going to load up in here. Oh wow, it's raining hard outside. It's going down. It's raining hard. You gotta move. You gotta dance. Um, okay. I should probably also give it an arrow component. Now I think about it. Okay, so I actually need to make two things, don't I? Because I need to make the projectile itself, I think. Yeah. Do I want to dynamically load the projectiles? Or do I want to just keep them as copies? Well, you only have one, right? Yeah, you only have one. So you could just keep it as a... Yeah, so you're gonna need a launcher and then you're gonna need the projectile itself. And the... Well, wait, no. I don't know how I add it. Is there... Let's check something. Open dashboard. Link filters. I don't know how that works. I think it's a spam filter. Yeah, it's this one. Enable warnings, platforms. It doesn't work for...
Oh, you're talking about your bot getting mad at me?
Yeah.
I don't care that much.
VIP, Winter, Arc. There you go. Problem solved. VIPs should be excluded entirely. Yeah, they are.
I'm gonna get banned from your chat.
That's what's gonna happen. Yeah. Yeah. No, I mean it's gonna be like I think it'll be banned in like 10 other streams if that happens. So yeah, no, we probably should fix that.
I forgot about that.
Yeah. All these voices are in my head. Paint my vision with the color red. Frustrations getting bigger. Bang, bang, bang. Pull my devil trigger. Let me just grab some stuff real quick. Yeah, because you're going to be loading the projectiles. No, you just give it the projectile asset. So you load it in the system as a hard reference and then clone copy it over. That's the fastest way to implement it. Is it the best way? Technically, no, but who cares? Well, okay, that's not entirely true. It is better than some other options. All right. Pragma once. Include core minimal. I'm trying to think of like what else you're gonna need. Yeah, all right. Let's do pound include. We're probably gonna need to bring in a projectile, but we'll yeah, I'll just create that while I'm at it too. Add empty file. Whoops. All right, I don't know what that just did, but cool. Empty file projectile.h. What got you started in wanting to make animations and stuff?
I don't know. No, I do. I know exactly what did it. You know the Tai Lung scene from a Kung Fu Panda where he breaks out of the prison?
Yes.
Yeah, I downloaded Blender like right after seeing that.
Oh my god.
I can pretend it's not that, but no, it is. It is that.
Good answer. Good answer. Good answer. Can we have you have like Steve Harvey, you know, there,
Yeah.
and it's like good answer, and then like somebody else is just like, penis, and then it's just like, woo, you know how it is.
Yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about. I get it. I get it.
Oh man. All right.
No, I was just like growing up with like animation films and everything. There's like, so my great uncle, my mom's uncle, went to Japan for 9 years and trained there in Kenjutsu and all that.
Oh, that's cool.
Whenever he came back, he brought back his wife and everything. Blender, can you cooperate? There we go.
No, it can't. It's not allowed to.
So then they grew up on Japanese culture, and my mom was in school at the time. So I grew up reading like Naruto and all that, and like training in Kenjutsu. So it made me really good at like animation reference because I just have multiple black belts. I can just just record myself getting the best reference.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
you're just like right there. You're just like.
Yeah, I have 2 black belts in nunchucks, a black belt in bow staff, and a brown belt in katanas.
Damn, that's crazy! Holy shit!
But it was just fun, and I kind of ended up getting the belts just so I could check out the weapons to record animation reference with them because of how cool. Like,
I mean, yeah.
It's so cool.
No, that makes sense. Yeah.
And it just got to the point to where I was like, I just kind of want to do this. So then I did the real smart thing of dropping out of engineering school to make totally safe for work furry stuff.
Yeah, no, I mean that's the way that you're supposed to do it though. Like, you're supposed to be able to like go in and go in and go in and basically just make totally safe for work furry things and nothing else, right? You know, smiles, yeah. Good
it's smile. Easter.
Happy Easter. Oh my god, so many eggs are everywhere.
Did you see my most recent Blue Sky post?
I did not, no.
You're supposed to check it out. It definitely involves that.
Yeah, let's go. Let's see. I need to also I'm trying to think of like, do I want, I could just make the objects die over time. I'm thinking about,
I want to die over time.
I mean, aren't we all? I'm trying really hard to remember how I want to destroy this. Because, like, I guess, how do I want to do this?
Just dang it, Blender.
I guess I could give it an object lifespan and then just not care about the on hit. Well, something should clean it up. That's the biggest thing. I'm trying to think of like, okay, so you want to have a cleanup system because if you don't, then it's just going to be a fucking mess. I'm going to check something real quick, actually. I'm opening up something else, Steve. Yeah, okay, you know what? I'm not going to do that, actually. I think I'm just going to let it go up to chance. Yeah, I'll just do that. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so I need also private. I need a U property. This is a U.
I don't know how to pronounce your name. Is it Linrit? So I don't know, but thank you for the follow.
Okay, so technically, it's a U static mesh object. And I want it to be blueprint readable. No, I don't. No, I don't want that. I want to do this. Edit defaults only. I want a static mesh. Yes. Because I want to pass it a mesh, right? How am I going to do this? Okay, so let me think. All right, so let's say that you load in the projectile. All right.
What projectile are we talking about?
A gun. It's not actually a gun. I'm trying to like actually figure out how I want to. Because like technically, how do I want to give this thing it? I'm trying to figure out how I want to give the object a mesh without having to do, like I could preload the mesh itself. I guess I could do stored as a use. That would be fine. How would I want to load it? What's this? What can I do in static mesh? Okay. I also need all of its materials. Bitch. Okay. Hey, congratulations! You get a struct now too. You struct. Wow, cool. The U struct has. Yeah, fuck it. We're just gonna make it export F. Projectile data. It has a U object. This is gonna bitch at me because it's not a U object. But whatever. U property. Edit. Anywhere. Or no, edit defaults only. This is a U static mesh. Pointer. Mesh. Property. Edit defaults only. I'm gonna need its materials now that I think about it. Fuck. Pain. I am the pain. Pain. I just start referencing Metal Gear stuff now.
I've never played a Metal Gear game.
Really? Oh man.
Yeah.
They're crazy, dude. They're crazy. They're wild. I need an F name, don't I? Fuck.
So I thought Unreal Engine was mostly like block coding.
You can. It won't be fast. And for a program such as this, where it is using its I could zoom in how much the groom data is, but like anything I add has to be technically like optimal. Projectile material. Okay. In here, I need a U property, edit defaults only. And this is the F name, material slot name. Which can equal, by default, name underscore none. Right? Yeah. And then I need a U property, edit defaults only. And I believe this needs to be a U material. I don't want to do this. Do I? So I'm gonna need a material. Okay. No, I'm gonna need it as a material interface because it's an application, not a yeah, so I need a material interface. And then this is the material. And this can equal no pointer. Yes. And then here I have a T array of F projectile material, and this is mats. There. Okay, and then I want to save projectile data as here, and then this is going to be firing projectile. Or, yeah, or just projectile data.
I'm still trying to figure out why you have a nude dog and a gun.
A nude dog and a gun? You know, I don't ask these questions. I basically am just like, all right, I will implement this, I guess. This should probably have an on begin that reloads all the data, but I don't want to do it asynchronously. So I'm going to be lazy.
Delay first.
Hmm?
Put the delay first, like what you yelled at not to do earlier.
Oh, yeah. That's a good idea. Virtual void, begin play, override. There. All right. And then I need to also implement new empty file, projectile launcher.cpp. Okay. Wait, do I actually need the projectile itself? No. So I don't need to include this, but I do need to include in the material interface system. So include static mesh, which is located in what? Engine static mesh. Okay. What? I'm sorry. You said that it's not there? Where's static mesh located in? What said engine? Oh, it's runtime engine classes. Okay, then I'm not going to actually bring it in that way. Don't bother. But I think I do need the material interfaces, which is in what? Materials?
You know, I spent a long time making this mistake. I'm just gonna actually just not make it. I don't know why I'm spending so long trying to. You know, this is a word of encouragement to everyone out there. Don't spend a long time on a mistake because you spent a long time making it.
Yeah, at some point you basically just need to fix it itself, and then
yeah. Go back those 3 steps so you don't have to keep making new steps.
I will make an easy function for this too. Blueprint, callable, void, fire, multiple projectiles, uint 32 number. And then this is going to be a really shitty implementation. All right, so we go here and we're going to go create implementation for this. And then I'm going to also do that for here too, so I could just have all the default stuff and I don't have to copy paste shit. Alright, fire multiple projectiles. Alright. So not include projectile launcher. Launcher.h. Okay. Okay, so I also need I need a cube object, don't I? I probably also need a class reference to whatever the thing is. No, I could just make it so, like, it just has a damage counter and then it falls over. Yeah. I'm also going to do this. Category equals projectile. Alright, I'm going to save that in there. Fuck it. Use static mesh component pointer cube. I'll just do that. Okay. In here, I want to so b replicates equals false. Set replicate movement. False. I also should probably hide stuff in here too, now I think about it. Where's camera pawn? It's over here. So this is blueprintable. This is also placeable. And we're going to hide categories. Equals input, input, networking, replication, and tags and hlog. Navigation, tags, hlog. Okay. All right. Okay. It's probably gonna complain because it's a these are not wrapped in a U object. It's gonna be like, oh, I don't know what that is. Careful, SpongeBob.
Oh.
Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob.
Hey, Sox's chat. If three of y'all want to come follow me, I'm 3 away from 300. I just realized.
Oh hell yeah! Let's get Winterdar 300.
I just looked over and saw the number. I'm like, oh dang. And if you come to my stream, you get to see. Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Set actor hidden in game. No, pop off. Go.
Oh no, I was saying if you come over to my stream, you get to see Socks squatting some weight and what is this 1080p?
Yeah. Can be damaged. False. All right. Okay, I need to create the cube. So I need to do if cube equals create default subobject, the use static mesh component, and I'm just gonna name it fname.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue.
Basic.
Blue is it? Wow. 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 Wow, Chuck, wow. I'm just gonna bring these in. I'm at it. You know what? I'm also gonna bring in this, the constructor helper, and I'm gonna do that only because I want a cool mesh.
BT Borderline, thank you for the follow.
Let's just do this for shits and giggles, and I'm gonna give it no materials. So I copied this from a second thing I have already, and I'm going to hide this object from visibility by copying all over all this other code that I've written earlier. And I'm also going to then set the root component to the cube. Okay, saved. All right. Technically, this would be a heavy load, but I don't care. Yeah, technically it would already be loaded at that time. So let's use super in play. Fire projectile. Or multiple projectiles are literally 4 UNT 32I equals 0. I is less than number plus I. Literally, we're just going to call a fire projectile. You could put a delay in here, but I don't care. I consider that later. All right. So now that we get to the fire projectile, which is going to be the most expensive fucking thing. So...
Are you able to, like, put coding away?
What do you mean?
Like, I can't exist without looking at, like, the walls and, like, thinking about how to make them in Blender and stuff.
Oh, like, as in, like, seeing how something is and then actually writing the code to
Yeah,
make it happen?
Are you able to, like, step away from coding completely?
When I sleep, yeah.
Is that it?
I think Hmm. I'd say that in some level, I think usually I'm thinking about if I'm thinking about something that's like how to fix a thing, I would say that maybe, but usually no. Yeah. All right, so we now want to make it so that it fires. So I want the trying to think of like what I would do with this. Yeah, I want to get this muzzle location equals camera location plus F transform camera rotation transform vector, because I need to align this to wherever you are looking forward from, so outside of camera space to world space. And the easiest way to do that is to literally just offset it by a few values. That should do it. Okay, so that's the muzzle location. And then I need to do a if world equals get world. Check here. And then inside of here, I'm going to need to spawn the actual actor object. So to do that, I need to do a f actor spawn parameters. I'm just going to call them params. I don't care. Params.owner should equal this object. The instigator is also me. So spawn or wait, do I need to set the spawn location? No, I'm going to do that in a bit. Yeah. So params dot instigator that should be whatever. Wait. Yeah. So whatever ended up causing this to fire. And then if I want the object, oh yeah, this should be a uWorld pointer. uWorld like this. And cube should just be auto. It's already assigned. Yeah. All right. So save that. And then what do I want to do? Oh, actually, yeah, that's why this isn't. Yeah, so I also need to do. Do I actually have this class filled out? No. Okay, so we're gonna have to just write it as I've. Whatever. A projectile pointer projectile equals my world object. Spawn actor. Yeah, here we go. A project. And then I want the A projectile static class, which will get made immediately. The muzzle location should be here. I think it's. I think I need a camera rotation first, and then spawn params. Yeah, then the spawn params. It's params. Okay, and if that's created, then no, the reason why you need to keep a reference to it is because otherwise it could be potentially garbage collected. Right? No, it has an owner. Yeah. It's just a dangling owner, that's all. Yeah. And it will kill itself, so it's fine.
That's me for real, for real. Everything dangling owners. Sorry, that's...
Sorry, I'm thinking. I need to do projectile. Set its launch velocity. Let's do 1.5. We're gonna make it kind of fast, I guess. It's just a gimmick, I guess. Yeah, whatever. And then we just need to write the projectile class at this point. Okay. So the projectile class is going to be, and if you haven't figured it out already, I'm actually basing this off of the code that I wrote for my system already. So this is a lot of this is just based off of code I've already previously written. Because I have my own VTuber studio that I wrote myself, and I'm just adding some features that I've written previously. Was that your stream or my stream? I don't know whose stream that is.
You got rated.
I got rated. Okay, cool. Hi, Jason. Hello. You were just chatting. Hello, Raiders. Hi, Ultra Strength. Hello, Jason. Was Unearthly fighting Kapow telling us about the streamboo.com bullshit? Hi, Drac. Hello. Thank you for the raid. How was your stream? What were you chatting about? Thank you for the follow. Minmul.h. We're just writing some code right now. We're doing a little like co-working stream with Winner here. I am currently recently uploaded food videos. Ooh, that sounds like fun. But I am glad you had a good time. A lot of them are super interesting. Nice. Are they like street kind of like food sort of thing where it's like, hey, guys, go check it. Like they'll be like in India or something and like trying out ones. Legit ones with 5 views and by random nobodies. Oh my god. So you're really going down there. U-class.
Can you still sort by recently uploaded? I thought they got rid of that.
I don't know. Maybe my mother's and kids. Oh wow, that's cool. This is gonna be an A projectile.
Did you ever make YouTube videos as a kid?
Yeah, I made machinimas.
Yeah.
Yeah, I made a lot of machinima.
I thought I was so good editing.
Oh, yeah, I was also the one that was like the one that was doing all the voices and everything, and I was like, I did the editing, and I was just like, yeah, I don't know what the hell's going on in here, but it's fine. I'm having fun. Does the thing recommend any new videos of a category? Oh, that's interesting. That's cool. Virtual A projectile. Probably need to actually. I don't know if I need to actually remove this, but whatever. Let me see. You know what? No. Yeah, launch velocity was something I implemented earlier. However, yeah, okay. So I need a mesh component and a movement component. Yeah, okay. And then I need an on hit. We asked ChatGPT to write a nicer reply than what I wrote. Oh my god.
I've been thinking about like an art stream with one of my friends of like only being able to do what ChatGPT tells us. We have to like phrase it to like get it to what we want. Oh my god. So it's like, how do you do this in Blender? And ChatGPT just spouting nonsense, and we're like, please just tell me to click it.
All right, yeah, I click the buttons. Yeah, it's totally working. Woo! And it's like on fire, and you're like, yeah.
Because there's like a ChatGPT integration to Blender for some reason.
Ooh.
And I've heard it works, but it works like as good as ChatGPT, or like it
Oh
works.
yeah. Right. But it's not like
you're getting a lot of
really,
garbage, but
yeah. Mesh component. Could not even ChatGPT.
thank you for the follow, Jason.
There is a oh, by the way, yeah, definitely go check out both Jason Wolfie and Winter here. Thank you so much for the raid. How did you find us? I'm curious. Because I know that I had the worst go live message today. So not even like not even most of my regulars are here. They probably saw it and they were just like chicken jockey and they didn't even bother showing up.
I haven't seen the movie yet.
I wouldn't even bother. Random recommended journals on choice. Oh, nice. Cool. That's pretty neat. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Hi, Thunderbolt. This is a movement component. Corner. Okay. I should do that sometime. Yeah, it's kind of just like I forgot to update it and it's still a mess. That's basically it. This should also, so to do function to change the all right, there we go. Cool. Now that I have cleanly wrote what I needed to write, let me also write in here. This is a projectile.cpp.
I was wondering why the lighting sucked. It's because I had this stupid dick in a box lighting on still.
Dick in a box?
It's a dick in a box.
Yeah. Oh my god. God, that's such a callback.
Have you seen their Bash Brothers experience?
No, now that I think about it. What I have seen is, have you seen the one where it's a really great day and all it is just like he's just high on crack?
I think so. I've seen a lot of Andy Samberg stuff.
A subcommand, interesting. Yeah, so the subcommand is technically the bot just rolls through it and just says, like, hey, you could sub, it helps out the channel, stuff like that. A lot of partners have something like that. A lot of partners also have an exclamation prime or whatever, but like, yeah. I mean, yeah. I know this is a stream, or at least my section of the stream is not super duper interesting, but like, here, I can show you what I've done. So I make all kinds of things. One thing I made is this website about my dog. So these are pictures of my dog. You can like check them out. These like little pictures. I upload them, new ones every now and then. You can find all kinds of silly things in here. Yeah, this is my puppy. So as you can see, it's got a lot of images that load up in here. You can see like pictures of him just walking around. Him having a good time. He loves the outdoors. Him on a bus because he wants to go on an adventure. Him looking at a squirrel. There's a squirrel right here. Not command a sub. I will command a sub. Hey, Syndicate. Syndicate, can you shout out Winter Harkness again? Good boy, Syndicate. Very good
There's
boy.
my Blue Sky. I recommend looking at it, not in public, because yeah.
But like, yeah. If you're also brand new here too, like, because you rated in, I make video games for a living. So I've worked on quite a few different games. Like, here's the games that I've worked on. If you're curious, there you go. If you like looking at a bunch of art, I have a ton of art. So for example, here's my fridge. One sec. Where is it? This is what my fridge looks like. I like putting all the art on my fridge. Thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. Wah wah wah. Mm-hmm. In fact, actually, there's more to the fridge. So one sec. Groups. Where is it? Fridge. This one. I had to also start putting stuff on the wall. But yeah, I make games. I'm doing a commission today. What is this? Oh, the dockie's back. Okay. I don't need that. What else is in here? God, I wish I could have like music on here. Mm-hmm. Exactly. I still have to put more stuff on there, but yeah. But yeah, I've made all kinds of fun stuff. I have like overlays. I have a bunch of stuff on my GitHub. I mean, yeah. Booker Catch. Yeah, Booker Catch. Thank you. Just throw like a fucking coin. Yeah. I fixed a bug in BioShock Infinite and they put me in the credits for it. And I was like, cool, thanks. It was yeah. That silly. I've worked on a lot of different games and like would fix one thing and then like people would just be like, oh, awesome. Thank you. Like, for example, I'm not in the credits for any of these games, but probably should be. I fixed all of the Transformers games. If you remember War for Cybertron, the Dark Side of the Moon, and another one. Forget what the other one's called. Fall of Cybertron, I think is the other one. Yeah. I'm not in the credits for any of those, but I worked on those too. Specifically worked on them as in they sent over, they couldn't figure out why the game wasn't running at all. And I was like, oh yeah, I can fix it. And then they sent it over and I solved it in about 4 hours and then sent it back to them. And they were like, oh, cool, thanks. And, yeah, it was really funny because like, I had previously worked at like Activision like the year before, and then they were like, well, we don't need you anymore, and they laid me off. And then they contacted me a year later and they're like, we don't know why the game doesn't run. And it's like, wow, you guys are really forward thinking. You're so smart. Yeah, send names. Oh, that would just be Activision. Feel free to shoot them. So yeah.
I've gotten my animation to a point where I can no longer work on it on stream. This is the sad moment.
Oh no. Rosito, hi. Yeah, this is my dog. Do you like him? His name's Apollo. He wants to be your friend. He likes wearing bananas. Do you like bananas? Look at him. He's got a bandana. He actually hates wearing bandanas. He fucking hates wearing them. He's like, no, I feel like I'm constrained. But he's a very happy puppy. He loves the outside and the grass. His favorite weather is summer, if you cannot tell. He loves summer. I take him to the beach and he gets to run around. Here's a funny picture. This is when he was a baby. Here's another funny picture. These pictures are brand new. I took these recently.
Suggestive content isn't banned on Twitch, right? It's just actual nudity.
Yeah, suggested content's fine. So if you showed me in a jockstrap, that'd be okay.
I was thinking you like over the camera, like kind of like push-up position. You have like a collar on, like the leash hanging towards the camera.
Oh man, that'd be pretty funny.
I think it would be funny because I can't animate this anymore or work on it because I'm crashing.
Oh no. Oh yeah, he also likes balls. He'll take balls and then just like move it. Look, man, you know what? Yeah, that you'll find out later on stream. Or one of the sussy ass mods will bring it up. Is this image in here twice? No, it's two different images. The sussy ass mods will bring up something. They'll be like, Sauce is an AD. I'm like, yeah, okay, thank you. You don't need to announce it to everybody. God.
I have an 80. It's just me. Hello, I'm Winter. Yeah. I'm a problem.
Yeah. Can you believe it? The person that people call dad has like an AD. It's like, oh, okay, yeah. What did you expect? Like, of course he's gonna have one. Like, so silly.
I don't have a non-AD because I just feel like lying. Like, I'm just like, here's my art people.
Was that the Skuru Hyper? Yes, Skuru has commissioned me to fix and add a whole bunch of stuff to him. Like, he's got a model. I also do as well. Like, I have a 3D one that I'll like. If you ever see the stream with 3D in the title, that means that I am suited up in a mocap suit and I'm doing something. And you will actually see me like I have a 3D model that matches like what it's modeled after me. And so it's all one-to-one sort of thing. I could tell you funny stories about that mocap suit, but yeah. Oh yeah, I'm so safe for work all the time.
So like, if I need mocap data of certain things, I know who to ask.
I mean, maybe depends. Smiles. There was a time where I was flexing in my mocap suit and I ended up ripping it, and that cost me $300, and it was awful. Do not recommend.
I bet you get all the females too.
No. Well, I mean, I'm not hunting for I'm mostly right now. I've been mostly doing twinks. But that's the thing about being bisexual. You can just flip whatever you want. So
I'm pansexual. You know? I got that on the lock.
Yeah, there you go. Hell yeah. Bisexual, you could just go forever. Create default sub object. I mean, oh no. Promise. Just stop whatever it is that you're doing.
Hey, Socks, check your DMs.
Addict to what? Yikes! I'm an addict to what? Twinks. Yikes! Movement component. I edited that myself and I was like, wow, good job. Move, bitch. Okay. All right, so movement component. Oops, set updated component. Mesh component. Oh my god, mocap suit would be a dream. Oh, dude, it's wild. It's crazy because it's all one-to-one. So everything I do, like, it matches. If I'm scratching my balls, chat will absolutely know it. If I get a boner, chat will absolutely know it. Like, and I swear to God, we're not sexual here at all. It's just chat just can't stop looking. It's like, girl, please.
Chat's the problem.
My eyes are up here. Yeah, honestly, chat is the problem.
If I wasn't getting followers, I think it'd be a lot cleaner.
Yeah? Hang on. Projectile, gravity scale. I'm not.
Yeah, I use 8 trackers for my mocap stuff.
Oh, nice. Yeah, no.
But it's not the same as my friend's Rokoku suit.
Yeah, the suit's like 20 points of tracking, and it's like, yeah, I've been thinking about also swapping to Rococo because, like, I don't know. The thing that I hate right now is that it costs a subscription to use, and I also like the batteries are also degrading super hard, and they're like, we'll charge you like $300 per sensor, and I'm like, so you want me to replace all 18 sensors at $325? And then they also are like, yeah, we also need you to pay like $3,000 to $6,000 per year for a subscription. It's like, brother, what is this? But the great thing about it is I write it off of my taxes and I get back, I get a fuckload of money back. It's great.
My
So.
all my trackers for my VR stuff was paid for by work because I was out on a video shoot, and they said, "Hey,
Oh, nice.
do you know how to do mocap?" I'm like, "I can figure it out tonight."
Yeah.
And yeah, I came in a lot under budget, but I also got a VR kit out of it. So
Nice. Yeah, I ended up getting my first VR headset from my last job, and I was like, cool. And that's what started like everyone loving, like everyone getting into VR in my household originally. I need to also set up a collision profile, so I should probably do that here too while I'm at it. Set generated, overlap, events, through. Wait, is that right? Oh, set generate, overlap events, yeah. And then I'm going to set the root component to this object. All right. And then mesh component. I'm also going to make it invisible originally. So set visibility. Yeah, I feel like this is probably going to be the better way of doing it. So I'm just going to do that. And then I also need to set up what to do on hit. So component. Let's do on component hit dot add dynamic. I need this pointer, and I need a projectile on collision. There we go. Okay. I probably should also set up a physics profile for this too. Yeah. All right. I'll do that too. Component, body instance, set collision profile name. Give me a second.
Rich, if you come and look at my stream, it's not what you think.
F lazy name. Yeah. It should be at the bottom of the corner. I try to use Beat Saber with FPT streams. Having people actually watch is very motivating for actually doing cardio. Yeah. Beat Saber doesn't have fun on computer though, but yes. Beat Saber is an older version of Unity. Step one, check if you have any sort of input that may be sending data over. So like we're talking controllers that are on Bluetooth, specifically like Xbox One controllers will be really bad for this, especially if the Bluetooth dongle is like really cheap. Check for keyboards that have polling rates of over like 1,000, or not keyboards, mice with polling rates over 1,000. Not DPI. DPI and polling rates are different, but poll rates like that, because a lot of those were using very slow operations for getting input data, and so if Beat Saber, if it's only a problem with Beat Saber and like Unreal games and like older like if you have this problem with PlateUp as well, then this is your problem. You have and like if every other game works fine, then you are suffering from the old Win32 API bug. Yeah. Which the way to fix it is that you have to basically just set all your devices to less than a pull rate of less than 1,000, and yeah, that's basically about it. I'm just gonna call this projectile, and we're gonna just do this a lazy name. So technically, chat, if you do this, I'm gonna be so upset. But if you do a static F name like this and then call it boogers, and you text this to whatever, this right here, this will fuck you over. The reason why is because fname is going to modify the string table, and that's going to break your static initialization of your program. So the way that you do this is that you make it a lazy name, which means that it will modify the table after the program is executed, so you don't have to worry about any problems. That's why it's the best way to do it. That's why it's so good, girl. It's so good, girl. Okay, anyways. When I spawn the object and I'm ready to fire it, I'm gonna just make it visible, and then we're gonna do projectile. So what I'll do is I will set projectile, set set material, or yeah, set material data, and then this is gonna be, I'm gonna pass in a reference to this projectile data. So and I'm gonna do a void set material data. This is a const this thing reference. We're just gonna call it data. And then we're gonna just kill this, implement this function. All right. It's probably gonna bitch about how it doesn't know what that is, so we need to also import it as well. Include projectile generated .h projectile. Yeah. And then this is an include to projectile launcher. There we go. Yeah, that's just a fun little Unreal hint. If anybody was looking for that. While I'm at it, I do this too. I'm gonna forward declare these so I don't have to worry about them. Forward declare this. Okay. Oh. Hi, Mortal Martian. Oh, woof. I'm doing okay. How are you doing? I was watching your stream a few days ago. Looked like you were having fun. I don't remember what you were playing though. What were you playing? I don't remember. But yeah, just been hanging out. That's good to sit. That's good to hear. All right, so this is a I don't know if that has a skeleton. Do I want to yeah, okay. Wait, I made it a static mesh, I think, right? I think so. Yeah. So it should just be static then. Yeah. All right. So then what I want to do is I want to say mesh component set static mesh, and then I want to do this to your data dot mesh, and then I want a for loop auto reference to a this is gonna be a mat, or just mat data. I think it was making music. I think so. I don't remember. I just remember popping in and like lurking for a while. A lot of things have been going on recently that have been just like really busy, so there's a possibility that I just don't remember it. Okay, so in the mat data, I want to see if mat data dot. Oh, come on, man. Really? Okay, fine. I will bring this in for you. There you go. Okay, it's not auto-completing. I don't know why. Let's check material slot name. Dot is none. Okay, so if it's none, then I want to do a mesh component set material slot 0, and then right? Yeah. That's just the material. So then it's map data dot what map data dot material. Okay. If mat data dot material equals null pointer, then continue. So we don't want to set anything null. And then else, technically this should just break. And else, it should do a mesh component, set material. Hello, Terisaki. Thank you for following Zamanos. Welcome on in. Hi. This is a mat data material slot name. And then this is the mat data dot material. All right, cool. Okay, that should skin it and then also make it look like it's pretty. So once I do that, then I also want to do mesh component, set visible, or set visibility to true. Okay. All right, and then once I've done that, I also need to fire it. So that means that I need to set the lifespan as well. So I also need to make it go fast. Go fast. Yeah. Let's set it in here. Fuck it. Yeah. This is gonna be. No, actually, let's do set launch velocity. We're gonna have. Hold on. I just make more projectiles and then just always fire at the same speeds. Yeah, whatever. U property, edit defaults only, category equals projectile settings. This is a float that's going to be like, I don't know, min speed equals, I don't know, fuck it, 15. Sure. U property, edit defaults only. Zamanos, hi, welcome on in. Where did you find us? Projectile settings, float max speed equals 35 point F. That should do it. Okay, cool. Yeah, okay. And then I want to also set the launch velocity of, so this is gonna be min speed, max speed, and then I also need to change I'm trying to remember if there's anything else I need to do. I don't think so. Let me see, what else do I want to do? Yeah, and then I just need to fire it, which is setting the lifespan. So you set, actually I need to do this beforehand, I think, right? No. Yeah, okay, so you set the launch velocity, and then I need to set the lifespan, and that should just work, I think? Yeah, okay. I don't think there's anything else I need to do. Go ahead and actually just put a lifespan in here too as well. Fuck it. U property, edit defaults only, category equals projectile settings, float, projectile lifespan. And I don't know. 100 should be fine. It's kind of a long one, but whatever. I don't know if I want to set the visibility here. I think I just want to set the material data. And then I think I'm going to do projectile fire. No.
I cannot get this to read for the life of me.
What's it not reading?
Like, it's like the pose isn't reading what I want it to.
Oh. That's wild. Oh, yeah, actually, yeah, I need to also make sure that I set, oh, this should be true. I don't know why it's false. Actually, now I think about it. Movement component, bounciness. You do consider. Okay. Okay, and then set launch velocity, and then I need to set its lifetime and then make it visible. And then that should work. I think. Right? I think that's how I'm gonna... How do I want to do this?
Hello, Vanilla Bear.
Fuck.
Why'd you break?
I didn't. I'm trying to think of how I want to do this. I don't have a native call to that. That's what sucks. Yeah, I think that's actually going to make... yeah, fire, min speed, max speed, and then also I'm just going to have also a lifespan. I think it's called projectile lifespan. Yeah. Whoops. Come on. All right, there you go. Okay, and then I need to implement this function. So float. All right. So min speed, float max speed, float lifetime. All right, fine. All right. And then in here, we have to create a new implementation. This needs to delete itself when it hits. So is that, so to do, I need to actually consider to do either fire a delegate on collision or have the character also handle the collision profile. And then this needs to destroy. Otherwise, we're just deleting it. All right. Oh, yeah, actually, hold on. B was, I think it's B was hit. Yeah. Other actor equals no pointer, or other actor is this, or other component. I think, yeah, other comp. Pointer. Okay. So if any of these are true, then just because you don't want to process anything there. When we fire, we need to be able to set the movement components max speed equals max speed. And then I need rand, which is in what header is this thing in? Oh, it's enough math. Okay, I already have it then. So we'll just do float initial speed equals fmath rand range min speed max speed. And then your velocity is going to equal to this is also going to do mesh component set. So that also sets that to true. I'm trying to think of like what else I'm going to need to actually set. I need to set the initial speed. That's right. Movement component initial speed equals initial speed. The velocity needs to be whatever the launch location is going to be. So like wherever you're firing at. So I guess I actually have to do that. I need to set the lifespan. That's right. Set lifespan. Max lifetime. Done. All right. Hi, Sebi. I think that's it. I just need to set the... I think I just need to set that. I don't think I need to do anything else. So... yeah, okay. Yeah, because I do need to set the velocity. So here I should also take an effector. That is launch location or something like that. I don't fucking know. Whatever. We're just gonna call it launch location. I don't care. This. And then here,
macro mark.
I want to then give you the this should be the camera rotation dot vector, I think. Right? I think.
Your model has a weird silhouette.
Oh. Maybe it just feels like that. I don't know. I don't ask these questions. I'm kind of just like, yeah, that looks like me, I think. Then falls asleep immediately. Which would make sense because I have not drank any water for a while. Fuck.
I haven't either. It's chat's fault really for when redeeming hydrate redeems. I think we both have one.
We do. All right.
Mine pours water on me.
Oh, really? Mine just makes me remind myself that Jack should drink water. It doesn't. Well, it technically has the TTS say something, but yeah. Okay.
People type in like moo or bark or hee-haw or oink or stuff, it plays animal sounds in my ears.
Really?
Yeah.
Moo, bark.
Yeah.
Nice. Good.
It's the don't wolf and he goes woof video.
Oh, woof. Yeah.
And the moo's the Minecraft cow noise, which is also my Telegram notification noise.
Okay. I have the silliest of sillies
I
place
made
in this world now.
definitely not lewd pose of you. It doesn't read as what I want it to, but it still came out pretty good.
I'm glad that it's definitely not lewd smiles. UNT32 is not supported by Blueprint. Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. That's only added in recent versions because fuck you. Fine. Okay. That's so dumb. Hi, Cybers. Hello. How was Fortnite? Welcome on in, superstars. Hi, how's your stream? My name is Socks. I am a big wolf dad on the internet. I make all kinds of video games. Today I'm working on this thing that is very silly. And if you return that, I'm just gonna exit your program. So there we go. All right. That should just work now. Unless it's gonna bitch about the U objects, which it shouldn't, but it probably will. It'll probably be like, I don't know how to generate this. Yeah, I knew it. I lost a parenthesis somewhere. Where? Where did I lose a parenthesis? Oh, fuck. Well, that sucks. But welcome on in. You got to elite and ranked, so good stream. Mine is going pretty good. I am currently streaming with Winter, who does animations and all kinds of cool renders and stuff. And I'm working on updating this thing. Okay, so it's missing
we're
something.
definitely not going in a lewd direction at all.
Oh, definitely not. Yeah. Movement component is not part of this. Yeah, it is. It's right there. What are you talking about? Oh, it doesn't know what this is because I didn't forward declare it. Oh. Okay. Hold on a second. Class. There you go. All right. A movement component is not a member of. Yeah, it is. Wait. Did I spell it wrong? Okay. All right. Now that I have forward declared it, let's see if it will actually see it and ignore that. Yeah. Okay. Good. Use of undefined type U projectile movement component. Wait, what do you mean? Okay, I can just bring it in, I guess. Fine. I shouldn't have to, but alright. Game framework. Projectile. Oh, fuck. What's it in? Yeah, projectile movement component. What the fuck? Okay. Alright, so now I'm not bringing in this anymore. Alright, now is it going to be happy with that, or is it going to be still mad? Shouldn't be. You should know what that type is now. Maths is an undeclared identifier. Okay, yeah, so it doesn't know what any of these are. That's cool. Alright, well, neat. Okay. I was hoping I didn't have to do that, but alright. Projectile 34 and 34. I brought both of those in, so I don't know what it's talking about.
Sure.
Mats isn't declared identifier. Yeah. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Are you sure about that?
Oh, yeah. I've been referencing the new meme from Infamous, or not Infamous, Invincible. Are you sure? It's not even that good as, are you sure about that? I like that one better, but yeah.
I think he just like sticks his head in the thing.
Oh, that's the best part. B was hit was an undeclared identifier. Thought that comes in from the projectile lock. Did
Twitch, if
I
you're
like
watching,
hallucinate this?
they're not doing sexy things. He's just holding him in a chokehold and looking at him like that because they're buddies and they're practicing.
Yeah. He was hit. What? Fuck.
They're just practicing their martial arts.
Exactly. Exactly. Why the fuck?
And the reason they're making that noise is because that's their...
Yeah.
That's their practice noises.
Okay, there we go. I don't have to do this. I'm just gonna do that.
Too much muscle on this avatar to like fit the arms where I need them.
No, it's the perfect amount of muscle. It's perfect. Set material could not convert argument from that to integer. Wait, but set material does have a what? Oh, set material by name. I'm so dumb. I was looking at the wrong thing in the API. Okay,
Yes,
so I
Fred
fixed
joking
that.
practice. Instead of elf practice, we got Fred joking practice.
Set replicated movement can't. I'm going to fucking.
It's all this muscle. He's gonna make sure he stays flexible. So he's gotta practice by choking his friends out.
Yeah, it's very important to make sure that you practice. Line 11?
Stretch.
Oh, set replicate movement. There we go, that's what I want. Not replicated. There we go. Fun typos. Okay, there we go. Now we only just have one. Assignment within conditional expression on line 16. What's on line 16? Yeah, because I want to set it like that. What the fuck? Alright, fine. I will be there. If cube. There. Alright. I mean, I guess technically it is a shadow failure, but whatever. Line 34, Mats and Mats data are not known. Alright, let's see what that's all about. You gave me a projectile data? Let's see. So I have data. Oh, yeah, here we go. Data.mats. There you go. Alright, fixed. Woo! Alright, so now if I add it into the scene, I should have a new place actors. I want a projectile launcher. And actually, now I think about it, I probably should have also made the other one non-placeable. That would have been really smart. I'm going to do that right now. So projectile is non-placeable, so this is a U class, non-placeable. I'll see if that actually... I think I got the right flag. Okay, what is the flag called? Is placeable and no placeable? Is it no placeable? I have to actually Google this now. U class specifiers. Placeable. Not placeable. Oh, that was close. Alright, good night, Lyric. Thank you for stopping by and hanging out. I appreciate it. Alright. Rebuild. Beautiful. Alright, that's fixed. So now if I go into... Yeah, there we go. Alright, cool. I probably should have also given this an arrow component, so at least you know where it's actually going to be firing from. But, whatever. Okay. Where is... So this is the projectile launcher. Where are all your settings? Oh, I wrote it as edit default. I'm so dumb. I should have did edit instance. Duh. Edit instance only. Or technically edit anywhere would have been fine, but yeah. Edit instance. Edit instance. Edit instance. Edit instance. Save all these. Control F11. Sub sucks? Oh, damn. I didn't know I was gonna be bullied. Oof. Oh, the misery. Alright, where is this thing? Got it. You got it. Got it. Alright. I'm sorry. You're fine. You're fine. Oh, dumb is a we. All right. Okay, we got a projectile launcher. It's got all its settings. Sick.
Oh, Jaeger, thank you for the sub.
Blah, 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 blah. Where is Skuru files? What was the file that he wanted me to get? I don't remember. Skuru SOW. I'll open this up.
We're making
quick.
they're wrestling practicing right now, Jaeger.
Tennis balls. There's a tennis ball? Oh, it's got an FBX. Uh-oh. Wait, where's the materials? There's no materials? Uh-oh. 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 Unless the FBX is in-skinned itself, I might have to actually go skin a tennis ball. Fuck. Alright, that's fine though. Alright, options. I'm just gonna go, this is, meshes. Mesh. Content, new folder, materials. Okay. Let me just go ahead and grab both these files. Alright. Okay, I don't know what this is, so we're gonna just kind of figure it out together, chat. Actually, can I open this up in the 3D object viewer? Oh, cool. Neat. That actually is nice. What is its size options? Are these size for Unreal or not? Where is this? What does it say? Wow, that's a lot of... That's a lot of fucking tries for a circle. That's crazy. It's in here? Okay. Okay, we're just gonna inject it, and I'm gonna hope for the best, and if it's not the right one, then I'm just gonna rebuild it. It's in centimeters. Oh, so it's in the right size. Okay, it's called white tennis, tennis ball, and green tennis. Sick. That is tiny as fuck. I feel like I should resize that. It's white tennis, and green tennis. Okay, good thing I supported... I ended up writing the thing to support... hang on, let's see. Import with new file. Tennis ball. Brother. Trying to remember how to change this easily without having to do a bunch more work. That's not it. I think it's in here. Yeah, I remember where it is. Either in here. Whoop. Save that. Okay, and then right click. Re-import with new file. Alright, and then this should be... Did it get smaller? Huh. Okay, I'm just gonna delete it real quick. Yeah. And we're gonna bring it back in. And I'll just do it this way. It'll be way faster. Hi, Jaeger. Hello. Convert the scene unit. Yeah. Import. Okay, now that was the full size. Alright, cool. I don't care. Save all these.
Why do you have so many Vorblin shapes on your avatar?
Vorblin shapes?
Mm-hmm.
I don't have any Vorblin shapes. If I do, they came from some VRC Fury thing then. Where the fuck is the thing I'm looking for? Static meshes. Static. Instant static meshes. Here we go. Check that. Apply. Save. Always, 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 chat. One of the biggest things you should ever do in Unreal is that you need to set your usage flags for your materials. If you are having ridiculous slowdowns whenever you run your game, it's because you did not set your material usage flags, and your shaders are not compiling in a way that is that is optimal. It's stack meshes. Save. All right. Okay. All right, mesh. This is a tennis ball. And then its mats it has. There's 2 mats it has. Its mats are called green tennis and white tennis. All right, so this one's green tennis, and then there's white _ tennis, and this is white _ tennis. All right, there you go. Cool. Save. Yep. All right.
I may have to wrap up here soon. My blender is just unhappy with everything.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, no, that's totally fine.
Even this basic pose I did of you choke holding somebody is kind of making my machine die.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all right.
I'll see you on both chats. If you stop that Prime sub, make sure you're giving it to your favorite creatures because, like,
yeah, yeah, that's true. Prime subs are basically free money for the streamer, and if you are like, oh man, I like it when Twitch has to pay money out to them, then this is the best way to do it.
And the month is almost over.
I need this a list of objects for your project. If you delete objects, you spend energies works on the rest. Yeah, this one. I want it to be.
I don't know how to give you my viewers.
Oh, you raid into me. That's all. So slash raid.
I did that.
Slash raid. You did exclamation point.
I might be tired.
And it's socks the wolf, not sock the wolf.
I'm gonna sock you.
Yeah. All right.
It's fine.
Oh, I just wrote its physics. Fuck. Delete.
You know what? Good night, chat. Pleasure joining you, Socks.
Yeah, thank you for joining. Thank you for all the cool, silly animations and everything.
Yeah, I need to figure out what's wrong with my stuff because, like, it's kind of annoying not being able to do it. But
yeah,
I will sort this out. Maybe it's just like a graphics update or something that's needed.
It could be something like that, yeah.
But yeah.
All right. Projectile should be an overlap.
I will see you later.
Awesome.
Enjoy the rest of your stream.
Yeah, thank you for joining me.
Maybe we'll actually something and have it like.
Look at all these superstars that just came in here. Hello, Awawawa. If you're ending your stream, then I need to just like, oh my god, the chokehold is so good. Holy shit.
What? I just saw it.
Yeah, no, I didn't see it. Oh, that's so good. That's so good.
I also did one of you like what's it called? Over the camera and everything.
That's so fucking, oh my god.